Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 27th November 2023. Section 34A of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 prescribes that the central government may, in consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority, constituted under Section 132 of the Companies Act 2013, prescribe the standards of auditing as recommended by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, constituted under Section 3 of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949 for a class or classes of limited liability partnerships. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India had submitted ICAI's recommendations to the National Financial Reporting Authority regarding 35 standards on auditing for the notification under Section 143 subsection 10 of the Companies Act 2013 for audit of companies. ICAI is of the view that the aforesaid standards on auditing applicable to audit of companies recommended by ICAI to NFRA should apply mutatis mutandis to audit of limited liability partnerships. In this regard, the Auditing and Assurance Standards Board of ICAI has issued the exposure draft of standards on auditing for limited liability partnerships for public comments. Tata Group's Tata Electronics is looking to expand its existing iPhone casing unit in Hosur to up to 2 times the size of the current plant. The company, which recently acquired Wistron's iPhone assembly plant at Narasapura in Karnataka's Kolar district, aims to significantly expand its capability in contract manufacturing of high-end electronic items and accessories. At present, the Hosur unit, constructed at an investment of Rs 5,000 crore, is spread across 500 acres and employs more than 15,000 people. With the expanded unit, which could take about 12 to 8 months to be completed, the Hosur unit is likely to employ 25,000 to 28,000 people in one place. Leading consumer electronic companies such as Apple, Samsung, Dixon Technologies, and Havells saw a significant reduction in imports as a percentage of sales in the last fiscal year from the pre-COVID period, according to the latest regulatory data filed by them. This indicates companies are increasing production and local sourcing in categories such as mobile phones, LED lights, and televisions, where the government has pushed for this through policies such as the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme. The Securities and Exchange Board of India's decision to establish regulatory guidelines for small and medium real estate investment trusts is anticipated to enhance retail and institutional investor participation, institutionalize the segment, and attract increased capital from domestic and international investors. This regulatory framework is expected to instill confidence, fostering wider acceptance of the growing asset class, and providing vital support to real estate developers seeking to monetize asset and inject liquidity into the sector.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.